Hello, I'm Abhinav Gupta and welcome back to the daily news bulletin of Jagran English. Let's begin with the first big story of the day. The Supreme Court today said that the hearing in the Ayodhya case must be completed by October 18, adding that if the petitioners want, they can settle the temple-mosque dispute through mediation. A five-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi said that it had received a letter from former Supreme Court Judge F.M. Khalifullah, who was heading the three-member mediation panel, saying that some parties have written to him for resumption of the mediation process. The top court, however, said that the mediation process under the chairmanship of Justice Khalifullah can still continue and proceedings before it will remain confidential. Last month, the court had said that the mediation process had failed to deliver a solution and declared daily hearings from August 6. A five-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi had on July 11 sought an update on the mediation and said that they could start day-to-day hearings from July 25 if there was no merit in continuing the process. The panel had been granted time till August 15, but the court, acting on the request of one of the litigants, said that it would decide whether the mediation should continue. The Allahabad High Court, in its judgment of 2010 of 4 civil lawsuits, had partitioned the 2.77-acre disputed land equally among Sunni Waqf Board, Nirmohi Akhada and Ramlala. 14 appeals have been filed in the Supreme Court against the verdict. Moving on to the next big story of the day. With the Maharashtra Assembly elections nearing, seat sharing and the Chief Minister's post have once again come up as the key issues of conflict between the Shiv Sena and the senior ally BJP. In the 288-member Maharashtra Assembly, the Sena is ready for a 135 seats each formula with the BJP while leaving 18 seats for their allies. But the BJP no longer seems willing to accept it. What adds more to the woes are the 30 leaders from the Congress and Sharad Pawar's Nationalist Congress Party switching sides, as finding tickets for these leaders would be a problem. With the BJP seemingly firm on contesting more seats, Shiv Sena has been trying to put it in the dock by opposing the proposed tree felling in RA Colony here to make way for a metro car shed. It also took a jibe at the BJP over its move to induct a number of Congress and NCP leaders and also reiterated its demand for the Ram temple in Ayodhya. In another big story of the day, External Affairs Minister S Jaishankar on Tuesday said that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, that is POK, was a part of India and expressed hope that New Delhi will have physical jurisdiction over it one day. He said that India's position is and will always be clear on POK, that it is part of India and we expect one day we will have physical jurisdiction over it. The government has maintained that henceforth talks with Pakistan would only be about POK and not on Kashmir. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Vice President M Venkaiah Naidu have made statements in this regard in the recent past after Pakistan sought to internationalize the Kashmir issue. Last month, soon after India abrogated Article 370, which gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated the state into two union territories, Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted in the Lok Sabha that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and Aksai Chin are part of Jammu and Kashmir and said that we are ready to give our lives for it. With this, I conclude the daily news bulletin for today. We will be back tomorrow with more big stories of the day. You can log on to english.jagran.com to catch all developments of the day. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.